Hey Curly Queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing CurlMix Lavender Wash and Go. And by the way, this bag is super cute. This system includes step 1 Aloe Vera shampoo, step 2 Grape seed conditioner, step 3 Avocado moisturizer, and step 4 Flaxseed gel. So first things first, this is how my hair looks before I start this line. And I'm going to wet it. After saturating my hair, I'm going to apply the pure aloe vera shampoo. This shampoo is a clarifying shampoo, so it will remove buildup, which I love. And the fragrance is amazing. The lavender smells so good. So I'm going to massage it into my scalp. I love this shampoo already because it suds so easily. And I'm going to take a little bit extra because I like to get the back of my head. Now onto the pure grape seed conditioner. This conditioner is hydrating with ultra slip. The directions for applying the conditioner is sectioning your hair, depending on your hair. So if you have coily or kinky, you'll section your hair 12 to 16 sections, curly/coily 4 to 8 sections, wavy/curly 1 to 2 sections. So I like to section my hair 4 sections. Now I'm going to apply a good amount of conditioner to each section. I'm going to rake it through and then use a brush to make sure each strand gets it. Now the directions say to 2-strand twist the conditioner in while you do the other sections. When washing out the conditioner, I was so amazed how soft my hair was. There was no tangles, it was just super soft. Now I'm applying the pure avocado moisturizer. The directions for this moisturizer is to apply it to each soaking wet section while in the shower. If you have coily/kinky hair, apply 2 pumps, curly-coily 1 pump, and wavy/curly 1 pump. I applied about 2 pumps in my hair in each section and rake it through. After using step 1, step 2, and step 3, now we're on to step 4, the pure flaxseed gel. The directions for applying the gel is to apply it by sections on soaking wet hair So right after I got out of the shower, I started to apply the gel. I didn't wrap my hair up in a towel, I just came out the shower and applied the gel. So I'm going to rake it in my hair. After raking the gel in my hair, I'm going to scrunch. You're going to hear a squishing sound. There's going to be a lot of moisture and water coming out of your hair, which is good.